everyone, welcome to today's video, and we are at Ikea. So today I'm going to be showing around all the different rooms and all the different decor that they have. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started. And then here they have a little sitting room on display with this couch priced at $7.49. Little table. This is nice here with the white with this wood, and it's priced at $2.49. And then these slimmer shelves here, these are priced at $1.99. There's a beautiful bedroom setup. I love this closet. Look at this big bed, different things here. I really love this, and like look how you can open it up and just store a lot of clothes. And they have the drawers for organization. And then they have this mirror here, priced at $50. This is really pretty, like this display for your shoes, purses, hats, with the lights. And then they have this over here with the shelves that pull out. And then more storage over here. So nice. And here they have this really interesting setup with these lights. They have like this conference table, as well as these different shelves, these pictures. I think these lights are so unique. Here's the price on those. So different. These really pretty vases for plants. It is priced at $7.99, and it's this blush pink. It's a ceramic pot. Really nice. And then they also have these fake plants too, if you're interested. And these fake plants are priced at $4.99. This is new here. They have a beauty section, like a little hair salon. They have all of the shelving here. They even have like these really high-end chairs, as well as these are really nice, these mirrors here with the lights. And then they have these floating shelves, different trays, these seats. And look at these really fun lights here. So cool. These are priced at $44.99. Such a neat setup. This is totally new. I've never seen this before at Ikea. So if you have your own business, like in the beauty industry, check out Ikea. And then this is an interesting kitchen with this blue black splash, and it's just a white kitchen. And they even sell refrigerators. This one is priced at $600. This is the information on it with these shelves, kind of on the basic side. They have these plastic pumpkins set, priced at $8.99. And then they have these cute little ghost candles. These are priced at $3. They also have the candles in these bats, and these are also $2.99 as well. So they have the bats and the ghost, and then they have like these taper candles with the orange and the black, and these are $9.99, the candle holders for a set of 3. They also have like a whole bunch of candles in this section, from little pink ones to all different ones, different ones here, like brown, black, different vases, different candles, all in different colors. Little tea light candles as well. A lot of different ones. And this is interesting with this gold finish. You can put a little tea light candle in it. Here they have this room set up here with the day bed. This is kind of different, this wallpaper that they have. And then with the stand-up mirror priced at $100, this vanity. And let's see, I don't think this is on sale, the wallpaper. I don't believe, but look at these pink curtains. It's a pretty color. And then here they have this really large desk to do like arts and crafts, sewing, priced at $160. And then they have this really interesting closet. It slides, and it's quite spacious, and it's nice with the lights inside. Makes it look so high-end. And this here is priced at $790 for this wardrobe. Pretty how they have this different blue light here, and then look how they decorated the room with these tea lights and the curtains. Here they have like this little fake patio area with all these fake plants, as well as the fake brown stained tile priced at $30 a square feet. Then they also have this artificial grass priced at $60 for 8 square feet. And then this cute little outdoor table set priced only at $20 for the table, and then $20 for each chair, which is a pretty good deal. And then they have this stand here to hang your plants priced at $70. So a lot of fun items for a little patio, even if you don't have too much space. And then a whole bunch of different drawer sets here. This one's on sale for $500. Whole bunch of different ones. One black with the clear glass drawers. They have this day bed with 2 drawers priced at $419, and the bedding is on sale as well. Not sure what the exact price is. They have all these pillows. And here's just a little quick overview of their bedding section. They sell the full queen, different quilts, comforters, and here's the price for this set here. And then everything at Ikea you have to build yourself, which saves up on the price. So that's why you see these really great prices, is because you have to build it yourself, but it adds to the experience. Like this bed is priced at $7.99. That's if you do it yourself. Labor is extra, of course. Then here's the warehouse where you can pick up the boxes of different big furniture pieces. And then one thing about Ikea, you'll have to look it up. Different pieces of different sections are named different things in Sweden. They all have like different things, so you have to like look it up. Like this doesn't mean play kitchen, it means something else in Sweden. So then here's like just the display piece and then the boxes for it. So this is like part of the Ikea experience. If you've never been to before, it's pretty cool and unique to the store. And then here's their overview of their little Halloween section with all the candles. And Ikea also has a food section too, with all like Swedish food. So it's more than just a furniture store, which is so cool. It's like the whole experience. They even have chocolate bars here, kitchen utensils. This jam is good too. There are Swedish meatballs, a whole bunch of frozen food.